So Jason and I met up. We're here at Sundancers RC Club. Found it online, never been here. Sundancers spectators welcome. Alright, we're a spectator. We're here. I don't know, but I love this road. We got a little action. We got a little dirt trail. Hold on. Put this thing in rally now. Oh. I got Jason behind me. I forgot you were behind me, man. I got excited when I saw the dirt. Go ahead, go first so I can make some noise. In the dirt, then it's worth it. But I'm usually like riding on the streets. They're in Port St. Lucie. Look them up. I mean, I don't know if it's like a hidden gem. I've only been here like about 4 months, and I just found it online. So I mean, this thing should be very popular. Weather's great all year long, so let's try to see what it's about. Big event next weekend. I don't know how big it is, but it's a big event online. You guys come down and check it out.
It's a pretty cool setup.
Well, when you get serious about the hobby, then we should talk.
Yeah. Really serious soldering station. I mean, when I build stuff, this is the newest Techno 10 scale four-wheel drive. Well, look at how that electronics is laid out. I built all that.
Very cool.
Right on, man.
Thank you for showing us, for sure.
Name is Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you. I'm Josh. This is Jason.
I've been coming here I've been a member for almost 10 years. You guys gonna be here for the race?
I'm gonna try to make it for sure. Yeah, I'm in PSL.
And the race is Saturday.
Okay, all right, cool.
I think we dropped it's going to be 111 lap.
It ain't gonna do it.
It ain't gonna do it. Not
So
safe.
what do you got? You just put the water coat on, Chuck, put it there.
All right, so we made it. This is the field, man. It is gorgeous. I was just speaking to one of the board members here, and he was saying, you know, you can fly up to 3 times. You gotta have like a special like license or endorsement to be able to fly one of these planes down here. That's just to fly, and then you gotta become a member. But spectators are free to and welcome to come in as long as they're open. He told me, you know, I could go check out the lake. I mean, this is great. If you're in Port St. Lucie and in the area, just bring your kids out, man. Just to, you know, they're having an event with remote control cars or airplanes just to see them view. You could walk the area. There you go. it's free. It didn't cost me anything. Just some gas to get here. So I'm telling you, if you're in Port St. Lucie, bring your kids. They'll love it here. I'll see you on the 1st. I'll be here. That was Mark. I'm definitely going to be coming back. I want to come out on the 1st, maybe bring my son, check out the race. On the event day, they do have food, so you can purchase a drink, eat, and just overall hang out here by the lake, watch the races. You'll see some airplanes. He did suggest I might come Saturday. Saturday's a good day to see planes fly out. I did see a lot of bugs, so you definitely need bug spray. Back in rally mode. Well, Can-Am did a great job. We need to find a field where I can just go crazy with this thing and play around. Oh, look, a couple cows. Here we go. Hey. Oh.